Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check login history on Linux. So at the beginning we will open the terminal, and in this terminal I will show you some commands that I think might be useful for you for checking login history on Linux. So we can start with the last command. Last command will display you the recent login history, and the login history that is displayed by this last command is based on the system log file. So for me, we have 3 entries in the login history. For you it might be more. So if you have more, the very useful thing is to limit the number of entries from this command. You can limit it almost the same like in the every command on Linux. So last and -n, we will set the numbers. I have only 3, so I will set it to 2. So by doing this, I will see only 2 entries of this command. So as you can see, I don't see this last one. So it might be useful if you want to we can do something like this, and it will also work. We can add one more option into this last command. We can do last and reboot. What does it mean? It means basically that we will show only system reboot history. So we have Ubuntu and reboot. By doing this command, we will see only this last line, because this is only the only entry from the reboot history. As you can see, this is the same as here. So now we can move to the 2 commands, I think. The second one is who. It will show you the currently logged in users. So this show you the logins, the users that are currently logged into the system. So for me, we have 2 users. Basically, this is 1 user, but in the 2 terminals. So this is how does it works. And we can use who with -a. And -a will show me all information, so it also might be useful for you. And we can use the W command, but without the slash. This W command. W command will show you who is logged and what they are currently doing. So we have my user, and what am I doing? I am in the GNOME session, so I'm in the terminal. So as you can see, it is working. You have user, that this is the name of the user, this is the number of the name of the terminal. There should be an IP address, I think, but we don't have it because I'm on the virtual machine, so that's why it doesn't work probably. And idle is idle time. JCPU is the total CPU usage. PCPU is a CPU used by the current process, and this is basically what am I doing right now. So I think this is all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.